Hey guys, this is Alexander at All Security Equipment. And today we have a little special video, which is one of our most popular gate operators, the LA500 from LiftMaster. So this is a linear actuator that is semi-commercial or light commercial that can be used at homes, small businesses, that is super powerful. And LiftMaster always makes sure that everything they have is really well packed. And sometimes all of the little accessories can be a little hidden. And so today we're gonna do the unboxing video for the LiftMaster LA500 with the package. So the package that comes with the control box, the arm and the accessories, and then each individual arms. So this is how the box looks when you receive it. So as you can see, we have the arm here, and then inside we'll have the manual with the antenna for the control box. We have here is the photo eye that comes with the package. And then we need to open all of these little compartments because we might put some accessories in there. So you want to open everything like so. And then in here, we have the gate bracket that you need to weld for the arm. And then that would be the gate bracket for the end of the arm. So you get these two brackets with the operator. And now we're going to take the arm out of the box. And under here, we have the control box and the keys, and then some screws that you need for the installation, as well as some extra parts. So here, and then the control box that you have here. All right, to summarize, in the box, when you buy the LA500 from the factory, you will get the control box, the arm, keys, screws, and some other elements for the installation. The two brackets, one for the arm and then one for the front of the arm. Both of them have to be welded onto the gate, or you need to buy our no weld bracket. That's extra. And then you would have the manual with the antenna that you attach to the box and the photo eye. With all security equipment and every linear actuator, and actually every gate operator from LiftMaster, you'll also receive 2 free remotes that will be packed inside the box. Here is the unboxing video for the LA500DC. So the difference between the LA500DC arm and the LA500DCS, which is the secondary, is that the DCS would come with extra cable and a junction box. However, the arms are like completely identical as they come in the box. It's just extra things that make the arm secondary. So here is the LA500DC, which essentially would be a replacement arm for the primary arm of your setup. So when we open the box, you can see that it's very well packed. So that way nothing moves, nothing is out of place. So we have a little packet with some hardware, the keys to release the gate operator, and then the rest is all hidden in the box. So what we have to do is make sure that you take everything out and then just weigh the box. A lot of people are telling us, I don't know where the brackets are. When we carry this, we feel that it's a lot heavier than just regular cardboard. And LiftMaster is pretty good at hiding things. So as you can see, we're gonna remove this And then hiding in there, we have one bracket and the second bracket. So those are the two brackets made for the LA500 that you have to weld onto the gate. And then we're gonna lift the arm. And they pack everything really nice and tight. Here we go. All right, so we have one arm. I'm gonna put it to the side. One pack of keys and hardware and one pair of brackets. So this is what comes in the box of the LA500DC. So this is the unboxing video for the LA500DCS, which means that that's the secondary arm. The main difference between the primary arm, which is the DC, and the DCS is the cable. So the reason is because these cables should be enough to go from one side of the gate to the other one to get to the control box. So that way you can have a secondary arm. So when you open the DCS, LA500DCS, first thing you're gonna see is these extra cables. Then you'll have the keys and some other installation hardware. And then we have the arm. So we can remove the arm with a little bit of cable. And then we have to remove, it's kind of stuck here. There we go. So you see this is just packing material. And then in this one, we have a little surprise, which is going to be the brackets. So make sure you do not throw out everything before checking thoroughly inside the package. So as you can see in here, we have the junction box. Just trying not to break everything. So we have here the junction box that's going to be used to link this part of the cable to the other part of the cable. And then again, inside here is packed the brackets, because those are really heavy duty steel brackets and you don't want them to swing around in the box and then scratch. So they really pack them super tightly and kind of hidden on the side. So we have, of course, the two parts. This goes onto the gate and to the end of the operator, and this is gonna go at this side of the operator. So one for one each side. Both of them have to be welded onto the gate. And this was the unboxing video of the LA500DCS. So again, the little brackets, junction box with all the hardware necessary, keys and other hardware for the installation, and the extra cable to be able to join the secondary arm to the control box.